song parrot. They come from the rainforest of Central and South America. The Groucho has lived with people his entire life, and he's learned to take mimicry to a whole new level. Let's see if he's ready to show you what he means. Are you ready? What are you looking at down there? Are you ready? There you go. Oh, that's so good. Thank you so much. You know what's really amazing about Groucho is he knows the words to 7 different songs. Y'all want to hear another song? Yeah? Oh, Groucho, they're being so sweet. How about you give them a great big kiss? Oh, good stuff, that kiss. I agree. Now, Groucho, we all know you know 7 songs. That first one was really good. You want to sing another one for everybody? You can sing any one you want. Ready? Oh, what is that dog in the window? Oh, what is the way to be found? Oh, what is that dog in the window? I know that dog in the hotel.
Where's the other guy? We'll ask the Photoshop.
One amazing bird, huh? Now, I know what you're thinking of. Resist the urge to race off to the pet shop to buy a parrot after hearing Groucho. No.